Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
This guide shows how to set up Touch ID on your iPad 11th generation. Touch ID is integrated into the top button on this iPad model. You need a passcode before you can add fingerprints for security. Plan to enroll up to 5 fingerprints for reliable recognition. Make sure your finger is clean and dry for accurate scans. Keep your finger lightly curved and cover the entire sensor area. By the end, you will unlock with Touch ID confidently and quickly. Open Settings and tap Touch ID and Passcode to begin the setup process. Enter your existing passcode when prompted to access fingerprint options. Choose Add a Fingerprint and place your finger on the top button. Lift and rest your finger repeatedly until the progress reaches completion. Adjust your grip to capture edges and complete the second stage scan. Turn on iPad Unlock and Apple Pay options to use Touch ID broadly. Test unlocking by locking the iPad. If Touch ID fails, clean the top button with a lint-free cloth. Restart the iPad if problems persist to clear temporary software issues. Remove and re-add the fingerprint when recognition accuracy drops below expectations. Update iPad OS to the latest version to fix known biometric bugs and security issues. Keep the top button dry and avoid heavy lotions that interfere with sensors. Contact Apple support if hardware faults continue after all software troubleshooting steps. Use
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.